Today's special video is dedicated to all those students who have trouble waking up in the morning and who believe more in studying at night rather than in the morning. In today's video, I will tell you how you can improve your night study schedule, how you can work hard at night to give your best as you would in a calm morning environment, staying focused for a long duration without falling asleep. My friend, remember that to become the king of life, you have to fight through the nights, not just words. If you sleep peacefully today, you won't be able to sleep peacefully tomorrow because you chose rest over effort today. Let go of sleep or give your all. Either stop pretending you're studying or study in a way that the world remembers you, because while you're tucked in bed, someone else at this very moment, someone else might be working hard in your field, trying to take away your dream. Studying at night requires more energy and patience than waking up in the morning. Those who get up early need the willpower to wake up, but those who want to study at night need more energy and passion. They must have patience, because at night you have to keep your favorite sleep away. Keep studying all through the night, because luck, the stars will only shine when you win your battles against the night. You have to work continuously, thinking that after the exam date is announced, you'll study. Today you won't study, but think, if there's the greatest investment in the world, it's the investment in knowledge, which gives the highest return. The work that money can't do can be done with knowledge. So you must continuously increase your knowledge. If you have wasted your time so far watching railways at night for fun, then you still have some time. Just because it's late doesn't mean you've lost. It could mean that your time to make a great leap has arrived. Everyone's choices, capacities and interests are different. If you want to study late at night for a long time, this video is going to be very effective for you, because many people will be sleeping while you will be making history with your dreams. I will tell you 5 effective strategies, 5 successful techniques, and 5 scientific points to help you study at night. These will help you perform better in your academics. Point number 1, set a target and mindset. First of all, set your mind in a way that you need to study late tonight. You have to accept it, because when your mind is prepared, it will remind you that you must not sleep. Stay active to study, because if you force yourself to study at night, you won't remember much, and there would be no point in staying awake. It will only waste your time. To avoid this, first of all, set your mind for night study, just as you warm up before exercising. First, instruct yourself that studying late into the night is the plan. Don't try to sleep until the target is met. Night study is challenging, yet we prepare to decide if sleep is more necessary or studying, how much to study and what to prioritize. For this, you must decide when to sleep or study. Second, maintain regularity. More than anything, continuity is key. Read regularly when you begin the study at night. When you begin it, establishing consistency becomes particularly important. For instance, if you study one late night, skip it the next day, and then try to study again at night, but skip once more, your routine could completely crumble. Both your sleep and study will suffer, making neither efficient nor productive using this approach. Therefore, if you've chosen to study late into the night, building a consistent routine is essential. Set specific times and follow them daily without fail. Only go to sleep after finishing, as repetition helps your body and mind adjust to this pattern. Your mind and body should clearly recognize and adapt to these set timing. Additionally, studying with a sharp focus is significantly more effective. Spending 5 concentrated hours studying can yield far better results than 16 unfocused hours. offering improved performance and helping during exams due to better recall. The key is maintaining focus. A distraction-free environment plays a pivotal role in fostering concentration. Everything around you should support a studious ambience without interference. When your mind is calm and fully engaged, studying turns more enjoyable. Sleep tends to stay away, and your ability to focus grows stronger, boosting your efficiency significantly. Fourth, taking small breaks helps avoid sleepiness, turning night's effort into great success. Willpower will be needed as nights are naturally meant for sleep, but studying is the plan. To make this approach functional, include short breaks during study sessions. After studying for an hour, allot a quick 5-minute break to freshen up, take a short walk, or consume some nutritious snacks like fruits. This helps sustain your focus. Regular breaks will recharge your mind and boost energy levels. However, during short breaks, refrain from activities that could disrupt your next 1-2 hours. Avoid social media, resist lying on the bed, and stick to tasks relevant to academics. Spend those 5 minutes wisely. Breaks are taken to facilitate studying for another hour, not for recreation. If you take a break and open social media before you realize it, valuable hours might slip away. Therefore, steer clear of digital distractions. Adding to this, adopt active learning techniques to enhance your nighttime studies. By cultivating interest through active engagement instead of mere reading, take notes and ensure better productivity during these hours. Solve test papers. Practice tuition. Write and speak while studying to avoid boredom and stay awake. When the mind faces challenging conditions, it retains what is studied and creates clear images in your mind, aiding long-term memory. At the end of the video, I will revise these 5 scientific points again. This will ensure you study effectively at night, avoiding the control of sleep, and derive satisfaction from learning as you achieve outcomes. First, set clear goals when you decide to study at night. Second, maintain consistency in your study patterns. Third, keep your mind focused. Fourth, if you begin to feel drowsy, take short rejuvenating breaks. Fifth, prioritize active learning strategies. Besides these practices, always remember that your body demands proper nourishment and hydration along with adequate sleep. The aim here is not to completely forego sleep, but to ensure balance. A minimum of 6 to 8 hours of sleep is essential for your health. Nighttime study doesn't imply eliminating rest. If you choose to study at night, sleeping during the daytime becomes vital. Full quality sleep is necessary for remaining alert and studying effectively. Protect your health and maintain your efforts. Push yourself with determination and perseverance. And even 10-12 hours of effective studying can bring remarkable outcomes. By implementing these techniques, nighttime studies can become more fruitful and productive. So friends, stay dedicated, keep learning, and transform your family's concerns into pride through your persistence. Prioritize self-care as you work hard to shine the name of your homeland across the world.